Good morning and happy Friday. It is very early at my house. You can probably see out the window. It's still dark outside. So everyone in my family is still sleeping, except me. I'm here to welcome you to the day and let you know what you have ahead of you. So for starters, let's please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am proud to be a Diner Dragon. Today I will meet the expectations of Flame by showing focus, leadership, attendance, manners, and excellence. I pledge to do my best every day so that I can be successful.
Okay, so hopefully today you will have a great day. When you open today's folder, the first thing you're going to find is a caption this, and this is just an activity that's kind of for fun. Look at this cute picture. 2 little dogs wearing their costumes, and what might one be saying to the other? So you are going to type a caption for this picture. Make sure that you use capital letters, correct punctuation, and spell all of the words correctly. That is really what I'm looking for. That is what I'm looking for when you do this assignment. The most important assignment for today is in math, and that is the second half of your unit test. So when you open this test up, there's going to be just 7 problems. Just 7 problems is all. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but each one of them is requiring you to explain your thinking and show all of your work. And you have to do that by typing or drawing with that drawing tool or however they have the question set up. So it's really important that you take your time on this unit test. And please remember, do not get your parents to help you. This is for me to see what you have learned and what you still need to learn. After you do your unit test, I recorded another little video here for you to show you our carrots. I think that you'll be very interested to see what they look like. There's a picture in the video, and you are going to need your number corner book so that you can graph your data, and all you have to do on the video is push pause so that you're able to keep up with the video and graph your data. And then there's a question here about the carrots. Okay? For English and language arts, you're going to do, this is the last thing you're going to do with The Legend of the Dipper, and it is a comprehension assessment for The Legend of the Dipper and Averella. And then you're just going to do some practice with direct and indirect objects. If you don't know what those are, watch the video to find out. And then in social studies, you're going to look at 2 more sources today. You should start with source C. Two more sources. I'm hoping that you're finding it kind of interesting to read things that are written by people in the 1700s. This one from source C is a passage from a letter from the person who was the governor of Maryland in 1754. Now, you might have heard a lot about the governor of Maryland recently, Larry Hogan, but he's the governor now. Horatio Sharp was the governor of Maryland in 1754, and he had to really think about what he wanted to do to protect that land in Maryland. So you'll be able to read this little passage from his letter. Okay? And then source D is taking a long time to open. Source D is another passage from Robert Dinwiddie, and you might remember that Robert Dinwiddie was the governor of Virginia at that time. So Maryland and Virginia were right next to each other. These two governors had similar interests, and they really wanted to protect the land that they were living on and quite possibly expand, get more land for their people in their colony. So read that and answer the questions in a different color font, just like you did yesterday afternoon. Okay, a couple of last little bits of information for you. Let's see here. I just want you to remember that next week is Red Ribbon Week, and on Monday it's Hat Day. So on Monday you can wear a hat. I will also post that on Class Dojo so that your parents know it's okay. And on Friday we're going to be having our little character get together next Friday morning. Okay? So have a great day, have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.